The idea of behavior design and learning is really the understanding of how human behaviors actually apply in the learning experience. So let me just give you an example. When we are learning, we have to understand the different motivations of why people learn. And when we can understand those underlying motivations, then we can start to design interventions to help motivate that learner to ultimately not just consume information, but to apply it and change their behavior. There are very, very different methods of actually using behavior design and learning. Some of those examples could include nudges to encourage, which is why coaching and mentoring are often very, very effective. It's a form of behavior nudging, that little gentle reminder, that little Fitbit reminder that says it's time to exercise today. Those are all behavior nudges to drive behaviors. Other kinds of techniques could actually be around creating a sense of competition. And that behavior design could really be to motivate and stimulate that part of people that wants to just be better than the next person. These are just a few examples of how the understanding of human motivation and learning can then be applied using very effective behavior design techniques, ultimately with the objective of driving change and habit forming and making learning a lifelong experience.